Welcome. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the MultiSites platform to build a website for your pawn shop. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video and you aren't quite familiar with the MultiSites service, MultiSites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own websites in less than a minute. It's super affordable. The service is only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. Once you join the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market over here. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to search for my market, my pawn shop, and there it is. I'm now going to select that template. Great. Let's tell MultiSites a few basic details about our pawn shop so it can literally work its magic and create a one-page website for us. Let's go ahead and put in our company name, as well as our city and our state or region. Now, it doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can enjoy the MultiSites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change our type of business from restaurant to retail and click on continue. Great. How can our customers get in touch with our pawn shop? Let's go ahead and put in our phone number as well as our email address. Let's move along. Where is our pawn shop located? I'm going to go ahead and pop in our street address over here and our postal code. Let's get our hours set up. What time does our pawn shop open on a Monday? I'm going to say we're open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. We also open on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and a Saturday. I'm going to say we closed on a Sunday. Nope, we're closing on a Sunday. Let's move along. Let's do a quick review, make sure everything's in order. Everything looks pretty good to me, so I'm going to move along. If you need to make any amendments, all you need to do is click on update location or hours and make the changes. And look at that. MultiSites has literally generated a simple website for my small business in literally less than a minute. Let's take a closer look. Now, the beauty of MultiSites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline just to help you and guide you in the right direction. And we've pre-selected all the images. They're all super high quality, as you can see. However, if you've got your own images of your pawn shop that you've taken and you want to make a few amendments to that content, you can absolutely do that. It's super simple. You don't need to know any coding. You don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire a web developer either. You can literally do this process yourself, and today I'm going to be walking you through each step, each section, so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how the service works and how easy it is to use. So the first thing I'm going to do is click on Update section at the top. And one of the first changes I want to make is make sure I display my email address on my website. It's now displayed in the top right hand corner next to my phone number, which is click to call, by the way. So it makes it helpful for your customers to get in touch with you. Your address you've already put in on the previous screen. However, when your customers click on that address, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. Let's go ahead and save that and move on to update social links. So over here, you can pop in your various social media platforms that your pawn shop is active on. Icons will be displayed in the top right hand corner. Let's move along. I'm now going to head over to update logo. If you don't have a logo yet, that's completely okay. MultiSites will literally just display your name here and it still looks really professional. There's not a problem with it. However, if you do have a logo, go ahead and browse your device and upload it. Awesome. If you don't have a logo yet and you really want one, but you don't have a huge budget for a graphic designer, I do recommend that you check out canva.com. There are some few great options on there that are free to use. You can make your logo bigger and smaller, but I think the sizing is absolutely perfect. So I'm going to save it and move along. Now with MultiSites, we've also pre-selected the colors, just general colors used throughout your page. However, if it doesn't quite go with your logo and your branding, your signage used throughout your pawn shop, you don't need to know color coding to change it. Absolutely not. All you need to do is click on this nifty little paint bucket on the bottom right hand corner and go through the various different color options available for you. We are adding more color palettes every single week. However, go through the various options and just see which one works well for you. So I really like that one, so I'm going to go ahead and save it. And as you can see now, it's used throughout my Mighty Sites website. Let's move along. We're making such great progress. I'm now going to hit the update section over here. And as I mentioned, that content's pre-written, images pre-selected, and they are all completely royalty free. So I'm going to head over to update image. If I have my own images of my pawn shop, I can browse my device and upload it. Otherwise, I can search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free to use. Over here, you do need to play around with the terms a little bit, so it will automatically search for a pawn shop, but you can search for other terms as well, perhaps some items that you sell in your store. So this one looks really great and it's pretty suitable. I'm going to go ahead and actually select that one. Let's check it out. I might amend that one because it's a little bit blocked. So I'm going to go ahead and search through the photo library again and just see which one works well for me. Remember, as I said, you can change those terms and search for various items that perhaps your store has in stock. So I'm going to check out this one over here. That one looks fine to me. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and actually leave that one for now. I can change it at a later stage. I'm also going to hit to update content. Now over here, you can change that title and that subtitle to suit your business needs. Perhaps you don't want your button to say get free estimates. Perhaps you want it to say something like get in touch. So I'm going to go ahead and click on choose link. You can link to another website. You can link to an action like click to call, click to email, or get directions. So for this one, I'm going to put it as click to call. But one of my favorite options is to upload a PDF file. So perhaps you could put some of the items you have in stock in PDF formats or the terms and conditions for buying and selling. Pop it in a PDF file so when your customers click on that button, it will automatically go to the PDF file you've uploaded. Awesome. Let's go on to the next section. Over here, again, pre-written content button can link to various places. If you want to make some changes, all you need to do is click on this handy little update section button over here and work your magic. We've now made our way into our About Us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how your pawn shop came to be, how you got started in the industry. Is it a family-run business? Do you offer trading, buying, selling? Do you have a huge inventory of unique and vintage items? Do you provide loans to customers? Go ahead and put all those details over here. Your customers would love to hear your story and how your pawn shop came to be. Another great spot for a high quality image, but I think that one's pretty suitable for my pawn shop. So I'm going to go ahead and leave that one. Over here, we have another great spot for high quality images. Go ahead and upload one of your own or choose one from the photo library. We've now made our way into the services section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of the different services you offer your customers. Do you offer jewelry repair and custom design as well? I know some pawn shops also offer watch battery replacements and jewelry cleaning. They also offer loans. Go ahead and put all the details here so your customers know what they can come to you for. Image, another great spot. If you want to make the changes, all you need to do is click on update section. Post hours and that physical location we've previously put in. If you need to make amendments, button as well, click on update section over here. So look at that. We've literally gone through our Mighty Sites website for our pawn shop, made some changes, gone through the colors, the content, in literally 10 minutes. It's been such a breeze. I didn't need to know any coding, didn't need to be a web developer or even get any assistance from a web developer or someone that's really skilled in websites. I did it all myself. It's only going to cost $9 a month and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So click on the link below this video and give it a go. The great thing about the free trial is you don't have to put your credit card details in like most other online services these days. So give it a bash and see how well it works for you and your small business. If you have a custom domain, you can absolutely connect it. All you need to do is click on this nifty little connect your domain button over here, or click on the button in the site dashboard when you click on stop editing. If you are struggling, there is a YouTube tutorial available, by the way, on our YouTube channel, as well as a blog post over at our website, www.martysites.com. Let's check it out quickly. There's also some great small business marketing tips and advice to market your business online. Lots of handy blog posts and articles, so do check it out. If you don't have a custom domain yet, I'm really excited to let you know that you can now purchase your custom domain through Mighty Sites. We've recently added the feature. We're so excited. So give it a go, get a custom domain, and just see how well the service works. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you in building a website for your pawn shop. If you have any suggestions, any features you'd like to see in future, or just give us some feedback, we'd really appreciate it. Comment below and let us know. Really wishing you and your business mighty success.